Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily extend a song in Suno AI. If you created a song in Suno and it feels too short, or you like the song but want to add another verse, chorus, outro, or ending, Suno has an option called Extend. This feature helps you continue your existing song instead of starting again from the beginning. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to suno.com. Make sure you are signed in to your Suno account. Once you are inside Suno, go to your library or the page where your generated songs are saved. Here, find the song that you want to make longer. Now, move your cursor to that song and click on the three-dot menu. This is the menu where Suno shows extra options for that track. From the menu, look for the Edit option. After that, choose Extend. Now Suno will open the Extend window. In this window, you can choose where the original song should stop and where the new extended part should begin. You will see a white arrow or marker inside the track. Click and drag this marker to select the exact point where you want Suno to continue the song. For example, if your song has a good chorus and you want to add another verse after it, move the marker near the end of that chorus. If you only want a better ending, move the marker closer to the end of the song. You can also play the song before choosing the point. This helps you find the best place to extend from, so the new part sounds smooth and natural. After selecting the extension point, you can add new lyrics if you want. For example, you can write another verse, another chorus, or an outro. If you do not want to write full lyrics, you can simply add style instructions. For example, you can type something like, "Continue with the same emotional pop style and add a powerful final chorus." You can also write instructions like, add a soft outro, make the ending more dramatic, continue with the same beat, or add one more verse before the final chorus. Once your lyrics or style details are ready, click Create. Now Suno will generate an extended version of your song. Wait for the result to finish. After the extension is ready, play it and listen carefully. Check if the new part matches the original song. Pay attention to the beat, vocals, lyrics, and ending. If you like the extended part, click the three-dot menu again. Then hover over Create and choose Get Whole Song. This option joins the original song and the new extension together into one complete track. Now you have a longer version of your song. If the result is not perfect, do not worry. You can try again by changing the starting point, editing the lyrics, or giving Suno better style instructions. A helpful tip is to extend from a clean part of the song, such as the end of a chorus or the start of a new section. This usually gives a smoother result. Another tip is to keep your instructions simple. Instead of writing a confusing prompt, tell Suno clearly what you want, such as add a final chorus, continue the same melody, or create a smooth ending. And that's it. This is how you can easily extend a song in Suno AI. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Suno AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.